OnTrac is a regional shipping carrier that provides overnight delivery services at affordable rates. This United States-based company started out in California and has expanded to serve 8 Western states. OnTrac is known for its commitment to timely deliveries and customer satisfaction, making it a popular choice for many businesses. OnTrac offers several key features. It provides overnight delivery for the same price as ground shipping from national carriers. The package tracking system is easy to use and highly accurate. With direct post, OnTrac can merge the speed of parcel delivery with the cost savings of USPS. They also offer Saturday service at no additional cost. OnTrac's pricing is competitive and transparent. They aim to offer overnight delivery at ground rates, leading to significant cost savings. The price for shipping depends on the size, weight, and destination of the parcel. For a detailed quote, you can use the Rate Quote tool on the OnTrac website. OnTrac is ideal for businesses that frequently ship packages within its service area. It's a great fit for e-commerce businesses, retailers, or any company that requires fast, reliable shipping. OnTrac is also a good option for individuals who need to send parcels within the Western United States. OnTrac has several advantages. It offers fast delivery times with overnight service at ground rates. The tracking system is user-friendly and reliable. OnTrac's customer service is also commendable, with most issues resolved quickly. Lastly, the Saturday service without extra charges is a significant benefit. Despite its advantages, OnTrac has some limitations. Its service area is limited to 8 Western states, which can be a drawback for businesses with a nationwide customer base. There have also been some complaints about late deliveries and packages being mishandled. In conclusion, OnTrac is a reliable and cost-effective shipping carrier for businesses and individuals in its service area. While it does have some limitations, the benefits such as fast delivery times, competitive pricing, and excellent customer service make it a worthy option to consider. To sum up, OnTrac offers efficient overnight delivery at ground rates, a user-friendly tracking system, and excellent customer service. Its limitations include its limited service area and occasional late deliveries. However, for businesses and individuals in its service region, it provides a valuable service. Thank you for watching this analysis of OnTrac. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. We appreciate your support.